Trocellen insulation for drain pipe, yes, it's a very smart solution. I like very much because, as I told, it's a smart solution for installers, which consists in a heavy mass product to insulate drain pipes against noises. I like it very much because it's a very easy product to install and also a very safe solution. So distributors and installers as well like it very much because for them it's a no problem solution. It's easy to install and they are certain that there will be no problem with the final customer. So for me it's typical solution we should push in Trocellen. Technical and safe. The performance is guaranteed by certification. So we have a certification for the safety against fire and also a certification for the acoustic efficiency. So for the customer, it's a very comfortable solution and very safe. Having such good quality of the material, they don't look so much at price. So it's all benefit for everybody, for the customer and for Trocellen as well.